Ma, what it do, broski? It's your main man, DaveyMcFlyy, 2 Y's, back in the Art Museum with a whole nother banger, man. Hey, today, y'all see what's going on, man. I already got them out the box ready for y'all, broski. About to lace up these foes, man, these Bred foes. Finally got my pair in, you know what I'm saying? Mad I can't get the lace up videos out faster for people, but it's kind of better when everybody got their pairs and we can all lace them up together too as well, bro. So go ahead and whip them out, bro. If you ain't rocked them already, let's go ahead and put some pressure on the paint. We don't want these things to crack on us, you know what I'm saying, while we're waiting on the winter time to whip them out. I know that's my plan, at least. I probably won't wear mine the next one. I'm finna start rocking the shit out of these. How you see them right here, you know what I'm saying? Everybody might not like the loose lace or the messy look, so I'm gonna show y'all 4 different ways. Hey, lace guard on deck, broski. Before we go any further, let me get that major shout out to all my OGs, youngest day ones, and new members alike, man. There's a couple folks out here that don't like what I do, bro, but tell you, we came up with some rules for their ass, and it originated from these how I lace my videos. You dig? Rule number 1. Man who buy the shoes get to lace them however they want to. Rule number 2. It ain't no right or wrong way to lacing your fucking shoes, broski. And rule number 3, if you don't like what you see, get the fuck on, bitch. Hey, bro, y'all know how we rock. Hell yeah. Let's go ahead and get the guts out, bro. Start lacing them up. Technique number 1, standard. You know what I'm saying? Nothing gonna be special. Nothing gonna be too crazy. For the lame ass nigga, for the sucker, for the little girls, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know little girls do bow ties and bow loops, so I'm gonna show y'all how to do that just in case. And that's technique number 2. If you ain't trying to be bored to death, go ahead and skip the technique number 3. But matter of fact, I'm gonna spice it up for y'all, and you know what I mean, go ahead and loosen these things up, cause that's step number 1. Especially this one, cause for what I was hearing, these motherfuckers so cheap. Like, the quality is so fucking bad, they bending up on folks when they trying them on. I've been hearing most people's shoes been getting creased up like the first time they wore them, so you definitely want to loosen your shoe up real good so you can slide your foot in there without creasing it up. And that's what we finna do, man.
Many niggas hard, wet, ayy, bitch wet, ayy, ma, ayy, like a meal, ayy.
And trust me, broski, the looser the better with these foes. Especially when you got the right size, in my opinion. They ain't gonna slip off your foot. You got all these elastic straps and bands to make sure you secured and locked down, so. Boom. Let's get them on that foot, G. Hell yeah. Fit nice already. To be totally honest, this how I be done rocked out. You know what I'm saying? So matter of fact, before I show y'all how to look like a motherfucking square, this technique number 1, man, just a straight up standard loose lace job, bruh. Slide this out the way real quick and let you check that out.
Baby, keep the pole wet, man, these nigga hoe, man, ayy, I'ma wipe his nose, burn a bitch first, yeah, I'ma wipe his nose, bitch first, burn that bitch, yeah. Fuck it, I want smoke, ayy, fuck it, I want smoke, fuck it, I want smoke, man, tell that pussy, I want smoke, yo.
Yeah, bro, I'm telling you, man, look, don't sleep on a good standard loose lace job, man. You know what I mean? No matter if you string up the wing or not. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. You'll see with this shoe, it ain't strung up on the inside, but on the outside it is, so you know what I mean? Hey, you can never go wrong with a good loose lacing job. But I know a lot of folks don't like it, you know what I'm saying? And matter of fact, let me loosen up this one real quick and let you see the full effect before I go into the next method. Mark.
Show up at the door with a big ol' pole, shooting at it hoe. I hold that big it low. Fuck it, I want smoke. Fuck it, I want smoke. Fuck it, I want smoke. Man, tell that pussy I want smoke. Yo, show up at the door with a big ol' pole, shooting at it hoe. I hold that bitch get low. I'ma tell the truth like I'm on the O. All these niggas hoes, everybody know. I ain't smiled in a while, Bred ain't a joke.
And bang, finally got that second one loosened up so you can catch the full effect. Damn, and I forgot to take the guts out. I always forget to take the guts out the damn shoe, bro. But yeah, let you check out the full effect on that loose lace job.
All these pussy playing gangsta, fuck it, I want smoke. Bitch, don't get it bent. Mob I represent. Get it out of mud. Water just like Flint. Grind for every dollar, we need every cent. Camp out for the smoke, I'm sleeping in the tent. Why the flow sweet?
Yeah, you know we're gonna stop on that too long. I know everybody can't get jiggy with the loose license, so hell yeah, man. Let's go into method number 2. And now me, I like to lace my shoes with them on my foot, bro, just so I don't never go too tight and I can get a feel. So I always give myself some wiggle room. But yeah, man, we're gonna tighten it back down just a little bit, bro. You know what I mean? Just a little bit. So we'll get enough laces to do what we need to do. Or a lot of people just feel like they can't pull off the loose lace look. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just not for them. And nothing wrong with that. Ain't nothing wrong with that at all. The lace is so bunched up and messy, bro. So I ain't really caring if they lining up right or not. Just trying to get me enough string, like I said, to do what I need to do. And trying to adjust these bitches is confusing as hell. All this black on black, I need some separation. See, we got them about this loose right here, right? We ain't even tripping off all that shit in the middle. It's black. Like, you ain't gonna be able to tell if your lace is flipped up and folded or not. You just needed enough room to throw that bow knot in there, man. And I hate bow knots. Telling you, bro, bow knots for little girls, bro. Y'all dudes gotta get some swag about y'all self and cut this shit out. This shit look lame as hell to me, cuz. Let me get the other shoe right. And bam. Step number 2. Matter of fact, let's go outside and check this out, bro. Let's see how it look with some natural daylight. Cause this shit look trash as hell to me. I don't understand how y'all do bow knots, cuz. Maybe the shit might look better outside of natural daylight. Let's go.
Can't spare no bitch, yeah. I want all the smoke. These niggas on whole shit, yeah. Bro, fuck the shoe and the clothes shit, bitch. Talk shit and get your dough kicked, bitch. Everything breathing left on the floor hit, bitch. Coming straight for the money and the dough, bitch. I don't think they know who they fucking with. Don't care who you get. Ain't more bigger shit. Fuck it, I want smoke. Ayy, fuck it, I want smoke. Fuck it, I want smoke. Man, tell that pussy I want smoke. Yo, show up at the door with a big ol' pole, shooting at it hoe. I hold that big it low. Fuck it, I want smoke. Fuck it, I want smoke. Fuck it, I want smoke. Man, tell that pussy I want smoke. Yo, show up at the door with a big ol' pole.
So yeah, bro, more power to you if you rock out with the bow ties, but man, this shit look weak as hell to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all that Davey special sauce, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Hit it with the DS loop and how I really wear my foes. Show y'all 2 more different ways to sauce these joints up. Cause this ain't it, bruh. Mob. Boom. So we all know these weak ass bow ties ain't the way, bro. You know what I'm saying? So real quick, show y'all that DS loop real quick. Get them 2, put them together, wrap it over your index and your middle finger. Wrap that joint around, catch it with the remaining fingers. make a loop, and pull it through. And that's how you get that DS loop in there. Real quick, fast, and in a hurry, bro. Do the same one the other way. Like I said, your index, middle finger, wrap them around. See that action right there? Create a loop, pull it through. And you went there with the DS loop. And to me, that look way cooler than the standard bow knot now. You know what I'm saying? So boom, that's 3 ways I done showed y'all already.
Shooting at that hole, I hope that bitch get low.
You played with your bread 5 years and still breathe. What? You come for the mark, you think the people go believe them? Press the pussy just for fun, I don't need a reason. Handle my business in these streets, I don't mind them geeking. Niggas too much talk, I got too much heart. This my real life, fuck a rap chart. The nudie nigga will retarded from the fucking start. How you go against the grain, then claim smart? How you go against the game, pussy play your part?
So boom, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, and in my opinion, looking a lot better than just the standard, you know what I'm saying, bow tie. But last but not least, as soon as this car ride by, matter of fact, man, fuck these cars. Let's go back in the crib, bro. So bang! Back upstairs, man. Let's get right back into the shits. Now for this Davey special sauce, you know what I'm saying? This last one I'm gonna show y'all. Gotta take the laces all the way down to the beginning, bro. You know what I mean? So let's go ahead and get these laces up out of here. This one, super simple. You know what I'm saying? Super duper simple. I started doing it when the fours released in the countdown pack, and I didn't get the shoe like no more after the countdown pack. This is my second time having the Bred fours. But yeah, man, my lace is even already, magically. But look, this is what you do, bro. You make one cross, go straight to the top. You make one big ass cross. Take the other string, do the same thing, you know what I'm saying? You make the one big ass cross. Then you tie the shoe normal. Y'all know I hate bow ties, bro. Hate them, can't stand them, but it's required for this one. But yeah, man. Make you a big ass bow tie, bro, like super duper big. Make sure your strings ain't touching the ground before you fasten it. Boom, lock that joint in. So now you got this big ass bunny ear bow tie, right? And of course, that ain't the final step, man. You know what I'm saying? Make sure that joint good and tight though. So boom. Got that part out the way. Got your big ass bunny ears. All you finna do, bro, is make another motherfucking bow tie. You know what I'm saying? Hey, hit it with the double bow tie, fool. And watch how the shit look. Y'all can be like, what the hell? I'm telling you, bro, I fucks with it. Like, this is my shit. When the cement foils dropped, I ain't even had a YouTube channel back then, but it's just how I used to sauce them boys, man. Just like that. It's that Davey way, you know what I mean? Double bow tie on the Bred fold. Pretty snazzy looking to me, you dig? Matter of fact, let me get this right. Yeah. Now we good to go, you know what I'm saying? But I fucks with it. And let me get the other shoe the same way, and we'll do a little on foot so you'll know how it look or whatever. Might run back outside real quick, catch me a little bit more daylight for it disappear on me. But yeah, let me get these boys laced up right. So So boom, laces already loose, just like that other pair. You know what I'm saying? They already even. Go straight to the 10-knot with it. And you're gonna be putting the laces in from the inside of the shoe going out. Probably won't matter for real, but that's just how I do it. Boom. Got me a big old X in the middle. One big bow tie. And like I said, I make sure my string's not touching the ground. There it go. Fasten it. And another bow tie. Boom. Big double loop on them joints. And it look pretty sick to me. Matter of fact, bro, I never seen these black cement foes with white laces. And I want to see somebody do that. So, I think that's what I'm going to do, man. I think I'm going to do a lace swap with some white laces and just see how this rock. But yeah, this shit look cool to me, man. And let's get outside and see if I'm tripping or not. The daylight gonna show it more.
Soon they say my name that when the flames start. I'm the MVP, the team lean on me. Think you fuck with me, you might be smoking CBD. And I keep the steam, get your nose clean. They say your Davey strapped, I ain't talking to bold jeans. I don't think they know who they fucking with. Don't care who you get. In my bitty shit.
Fuck it, I want smoke. Ayy, fuck it, I want smoke. Fuck it, I want smoke. Man, tell that pussy I want smoke. Yo, show up at the door with a big ol' pole. Shooting at it hoe. I hold that big it low. Fuck it, I want smoke. Fuck it, I want smoke. Fuck it, I want smoke. Man, tell that pussy I want smoke. Yo, show up at it.
Bang! So there you go, bro. 4 different ways you can lace up your ad joint for Breds. You do not have to look like everybody else. If you do not want to, bro, you got options out here. That's the only reason why I make these videos now. Trying to add different techniques and different ways you can mix it up now, just so you'll have options. Everybody won't be looking alike, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, this legit how I rock out with mine, man. One big cross with a double bow tie, you know what I'm saying? And you got 3 other choices to choose from. But hey, we're gonna get up out of here, man. Hey, y'all make sure y'all check out this good mob only merch. Links will be below, and you know what I'm saying, links to everything else that I do. Video gaming, my setup, all this good shit, bro. You know what I'm saying, on the mob. But hey, y'all finna get up out of here, man. From my family to yours, pretty please hit that like button for your boy. And share that bitch too, man. From my family to yours. Peace. Mob.
With a big ol' pole, shooting at it hoe. I hope that bitch get low.